Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sweta and I welcome you all with my questions. Today is 9th of July and I am here with all the current affairs of today, which is the Sakambri festival recently began at which temple? Sakambri festival is celebrated in Indra Kiladri temple. Indra Kiladri temple is located in Andhra Pradesh in Vijayawada. Next is which Indian state has announced plan to build Asia's biggest jungle safari? The state will be, answer will be our Haryana. Which two countries recently joined the BRICS New Development Bank ahead of the 17th BRICS Summit? We all are familiar with the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. And the recently two countries are joined, which is Colombia and Uzbekistan. Fourth is which Indian state become the first to implement Face ID technology for ration distribution? Answer will be the Indian state is Himachal Pradesh, who became the first to implement Face ID technology for ration distribution. Fifth is which was the first Indian football club to win the Durand Cup in 1940? That is Mohammedan Sporting. Our sixth question is which country won the 2025 World Cup by defeating the USA in the final? The country will be Mexico. So now our answer is Mexico. Seventh question is who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council? Sanjog Gupta is appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer CEO of the International Cricket Council. 8 is which district emerged as the top performing district in the Niti Aayog Northeastern Region District SDG Index 2023 and 2024? The answer will be Hananthial, that is in Mizoram. Next question is which Indian river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Sorrow of Bengal. Which river is known as? That is in the Damodar River. The Deccan Plateau is located in which part of India? The Deccan Plateau is located in South India. This is the questions. This is my practice paper which I brought for you. I hope you will loved it, you will liked it. If you liked it, then please like my channel and subscribe it.